Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ronic103. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install one of the most popular video editors in the world, Windows Movie Maker. So this was a part of the Windows Live Essentials 2012 suite, and it is not available anymore. So we will have to download it from a third-party site. So I have got it minitool.com. So what you have to do is you will come to this page. When you click the link in the description, I will put it in the description box. So we'll go down and click on free download. And here we have Windows Movie Maker. This is totally reliable. It does not have any malicious software. Just free download. So it will start downloading this. So I already have it. Cancel. We will close this. Then go to Windows Explorer, and here we have it, Windows Movie Maker setup. So what you have to do is double click it. Okay, this should open in a moment or two. Okay, yes, I will close this. Okay, install. Okay, so this will take some time, like 2 to 3 minutes, so let it do it. Oh, finish quite fast. Okay, finish. Okay, close this. So, here we have it, Windows Movie Maker. By the way, if you get something like this on your screen, then you can just click download and just continue with the installation process. It's fine, I guess. So this was a real quick video on how to install Windows Movie Maker. So that's it for today. Bye.